At a steal, unpacking the phrase. Hello there, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a common phrase that you might have heard or seen but perhaps don't fully understand. At a steal. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it in your daily conversations. The word steal typically means to take something without permission. However, in the phrase, at a steal, it doesn't have this negative connotation. Instead, it refers to something being extremely cheap or a great deal. It's like saying you got something of value without paying its full worth, hence the term, steal. Understanding a phrase is easier when you see it in action. Let's go through some examples. 1. I got this designer bag at a steal during the sale. This implies that the bag was purchased at a very low price. 2. They're selling those shoes at a steal. You should grab a pair. Here, the speaker is recommending the shoes because they're a great deal. 3. I can't believe the price of this vacation package. It's at a steal. The speaker is expressing surprise at how cheap the vacation package is. There are other phrases and words that convey a similar meaning. Knowing these will enrich your vocabulary. 1. Bargain, that shirt was a real bargain. 2. Good deal, you got a good deal on those headphones. 3. For a song, she bought that dress for a song. At a steal is a positive phrase. It means you got something valuable for a very low price. It's commonly used in casual conversations, especially when talking about shopping or deals. It's metaphorical, suggesting that the price is so good it's almost like stealing. But remember, no actual theft is implied. We hope that you now have a clear understanding of the phrase, at a steal. Language is full of fun idioms and expressions like this, and mastering them will make you sound more natural and fluent. So, next time you find a great deal, you'll know exactly what phrase to use. Until our next lesson, keep practicing and happy learning.